Unlocking the 2021 Nissan Sentra IMMO RH850 with Xhorse Multi-Prog Step-by-Step Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for everything related to automobile diagnostics. Automobile light bulb. Before we dive deep into today's exciting process, I have a quick favor to ask. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update, and stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing some crucial tips you won't want to miss. If you find this guide helpful, consider dropping a super thanks to support the channel and help us bring you more valuable content. Now let's jump right in. Xhorse Multi-Prog can read 2021 Nissan Sentra IMMO RH850. Here's how. Great news for all those working with Nissan immobilizers. The Xhorse Multi-Prog is now capable of reading the immobilizer box found in certain newer Nissan models, including the 2021 Nissan Sentra. This is possible thanks to the RH850/V850 adapter, which allows successful communication with the module. This feature makes key programming and security system work much more efficient and convenient. Where to find the IMMO module? If you're wondering where exactly to locate the immobilizer module in the 2021 Nissan Sentra, look no further. The IMMO box is positioned underneath the driver's side dashboard. You may need to remove some panels to access it properly, but once you have a clear view, the process becomes straightforward. Step-by-step guide to reading the Nissan Sentra IMMO RH850. Let's go through the exact steps you need to follow. Keycap 1. Prepare your tools. Ensure you have the Xhorse Multi-Prog, an NQB RH850 V850 adapter, and the proper wiring diagram for the module. Having these ready will save you time and prevent errors. Keycap 2. Search for the correct module. Once you have everything set up, open your Multi-Prog software and search for R7F701019 in the Nissan IMMO section. This will ensure you are working with the correct immobilizer type for the 2021 Sentra. Keycap 3. Wiring setup. Carefully follow the wiring diagram to connect the IMMO box to the RH850 adapter. Double-check all connections before proceeding, as an incorrect setup could cause reading failures. Keycap 4. Connect to Multi-Prog. With the IMMO box properly wired to the adapter, connect everything to the Xhorse Multi-Prog device. Once all connections are secure, initiate the reading process. Keycap 5. Read and save data. If everything is done correctly, the Multi-Prog will successfully read the immobilizer RH850 data. Once you get a successful readout, make sure to save the data properly. This is crucial if you need to modify or program new keys in the future. Final thoughts: like and subscribe. And just like that, you've successfully read the 2021 Nissan Sentra IMMO RH850 module using the Xhorse Multi-Prog. Party popper. This process makes key programming and security-related tasks easier for professionals and DIYers alike. If this guide helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and most importantly, subscribe so you never miss out on more automotive diagnostic content. And if you appreciate the effort that goes into making these detailed tutorials, don't forget to hit that super thanks button. Your support helps keep the channel growing. Until next time, happy diagnosing, and see you in the next video.